What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is episode 7 of the R1 build series. So today we're going to be installing Puig windscreen. We went with the dark smoke color. We also have a surprise for the second part of the video, which I'm not going to give away. But I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. They're pretty sweet. So right now we got the R1 on stands. We're getting rid of the Bridgestone RS11s, and we're going to throw on some Dunlop Q3 Pluses. Those are my preferred tire. But yeah, so this episode is going to be basically cosmetics, and hope you guys enjoy. All right. So before we get into installing the windscreen, a few mods that I did to the bike that I didn't film was the keyless driven gas cap. So you just pop this down, twist it, you fill up your gas, pop it in, lock it into place. Also, we took off the passenger rear pegs. We put some Evotech block off plates there. So it's looking pretty clean with the back end. But alright, let's get to installing that windscreen. So we went with the Puig Racing dark smoke windscreen. It's going to look good with the all black. Has some good angles on it, so I'm stoked to throw it on the bike. Went with the dark smoke instead of the all black. I do plan to track the bike at some point, and I do like some visibility, so we'll see how it works out during some canyon rides, and maybe if it's too dark, I might go with a light smoke instead. So we'll see how that is. I have a zero gravity on my R6 at the moment. Couldn't get another zero gravity. I do like the company, but that is a light smoke. I don't know if I think they just make a smoke and then a black version. But I have it on my R6 right now, and you can see through it pretty good. So we'll throw this guy on and see how we like it. So stock mirrors are ready to be removed, and we're going to pull the turn signals out as well, that wire. So we took off the side and front cowling of this section, and your stock turn signals connect underneath those panels. So we're just going to disconnect this guy, run it through this cable holder right here and up and out. And then we'll remove the stock mirror and turn signal. So we have the stock turn signal wire wrapped in electrical tape. So that'll be fine for if ever water was to get down into this panel, it should be protected. So here we go. So we just got done installing the Puig windscreen. It's looking pretty good with the all black. The stock windshield was a pain to get out, and this one to install was just a piece of cake. So it is darker than I'm used to, so we'll take it out for some rides, see how I like it. If I don't, I might go with the light smoked version, so we'll see after a few rides, but there we go. So I'm pretty stoked about the next part that we're gonna throw on the bike, but I got a little bit of a funny story. So I get a camera notification that, you know, the package is delivered right outside of my house. So just watch this video. So after I saw that clip, I was floored. I mean, you know, you spend money on some parts, you get them shipped, you hope that they be coming in one piece. They don't know what's inside it. Could be glass, it could be something very fragile. I mean, you don't know, right? So thankfully, this thing came in one piece and was not damaged at all. And I'm super excited to show it to you guys and throw it on the bike, so let's get to it. So if you guys didn't get the hint from removing the stock mirrors and turn signals, we went with the Rizoma stealth mirrors. So the reason these mirrors did not break is because Rizoma does such a good job with their packaging. And for the price, I mean, I would expect no less. So here is your left mirror. So when it's on the bike and you don't want to use your mirrors, you can just leave it down. And then if you do want to use your mirrors, you simply just tilt this up, and there's your mirror right there. It looks super slick, super stealth. Like it says here, align down to downforce. So apparently they're making a claim that when this is in this position, you are getting some downforce. I mean, I'm sure you might. It's probably negligible, but these things look super slick. So excited to throw these on. So we just got done throwing on the Rizoma stealth mirrors. So it looks like this adjustment screw right here can adjust the firmness of the twist of the mirror. Because it is a bit firm right now. I don't know, you know, how comfortable I'll be doing this while riding, so I think I'm going to loosen it up. But we have a remove before ride, so there we go. And I did notice that these have some rubber dampers at the bottom where they screw into the fairings, so hopefully it'll reduce vibration. But yeah, these things look good. And then when you don't want to use the mirrors, just fold them back. See, that's pretty firm, so I'm definitely going to loosen that up. But that's how they look. So I think for the turn signals, there's a company that can integrate your turn signal into your DRLs. So I might do that. I don't think I'm going to go colors, but maybe at least flash with the turn signal on the DRL. So I'm really stoked with how these came out. They look really good on the bike, especially with the windscreen. So gives a good aggressive look for the R1. So yeah, definitely happy with these guys. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for episode 7 of the R1 series build. So we got the Puig windscreen installed, we got the Rizoma stealth mirrors installed. The bike's starting to look really good. So we got some more parts on order. They'll be here tomorrow and Thursday, so we got some more episodes coming up. So if you like the series, please drop a like. I'm going to put a link in the description below for the parts that we threw on and parts that we previously threw on the bike. So you guys can order those if you want. They are affiliate links, but it's all going to go back into the channel. So, and also subscribe for the future episodes and any new content that we got coming out. All right, ride safe.